so listen, man, I'm gonna point something out to y'all, man. Right now it's July 7th, 7/7. Yesterday I put up a video on YouTube for 7/6, just showing y'all how we are in this daily range. Like this was us yesterday. We are still within this tight consolidation. History always rhymes. Look at look at early in the year, like January, man. We were in another daily consolidation, right? Right before we had another big impulse, man. Look at this. This is where we are now. This is the impulse. Look at this nice move to the upside. That's where we were before we got up in this, right? Before we became tightly consolidated. Let's look at what happened to the last time this happened. Look at all this, man. Look at all this nasty chop before we finally got a deeper pullback. And all this pullback did, like, I discussed this yesterday, man. Like, yeah, we got a pullback to 38 fib level, but also retested market structure. Look at this. Boom. We got a nice retest of market structure right here. So there's a couple things I'm looking out for, man, for this move. All right, so look. Boom. All right, so we're looking at market structure, man. We got a nice retest of that, right? This is on the daily, man. Retest of that. So price retested that structure and pushed back up, giving us a nice impulsive move, and now we back here again, right? That impulsive move lasted for like over a month, man. So it is better to just wait, right? I gave $600 back to the market yesterday. The entry wasn't bad. I traded from a support level, but it was within the eternal liquidity, man, where the greatest chop happened, and we are near the apex, man. If y'all can just look at this right quick, like it looked like almost like a symmetrical triangle being formed, but this is all still chop, man. So I'm looking to make an entry, a break and retest here or a break and retest at the bottom, man. I'm waiting for that before I make another trade. I learned my lesson from January. January, I got whooped for a whole month because I was just in and out. I was getting chopped out so much, man. So for me personally, I learned not to trade this, man. I'm waiting for the breakout. Now, to get in on some other type of trading, maybe some deep swings, whatever, you know, hey, maybe. But right now, like I'm still marking up. I'm still in position, but I'm not going to make another entry until we break out of that. Why? Because it's worth the wait, man. When you can just wait for the nice breakout, you'll have a long ride to the upside or the downside. All right, man. So listen, learn from yesterday's mistakes, man. July 7th, opening bell just began. So what I'm looking for is a nice break and retest of structure. We have FOMC tomorrow on Wednesday, man. So the market could still stall up until we figure out what the chair is going to announce as far as like interest rates, inflation. You know, the FOMC is going to cover a lot of things on tomorrow, man. So the market could just be accumulating and just waiting, man. And guess what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just wait. So I have this marked up as a strong demand zone. If I can get a break and retest below that, I'll take this short, but with a very tight stop loss, okay? Because this is still overall, this is a bullish trend right here. This is a bullish pattern still. We're just flagging right now, right? We are in a flag. We've been in this flag for, I want to say several weeks, man. Like since July 4th, y'all, we've been in this flag. So it's a whole month. It's been over a month. Early on in the flag, the money was better. Now we're near the apex. So I ain't messing with it. I'm going to wait. If price reaches demand zone and hold us to support, I may consider going long, right? This is your boy Ron Legacy, MNQ. Listen, y'all, pay attention. Look, daily consolidation. Look at this. Sometimes you got to zoom out to the higher time frame to understand the bigger picture. All right, look at that. We chopping. We're not going nowhere. Right now, we're just still in the same spot. So be careful, man. If I had a student ask me, yo, do you think that today is a good day to trade? I would say no. I would say for right now, at the very moment, no, because this is all chop, right? Don't get caught in the chop. If we be patient, wait for the breakout and the retest, we go ahead and take advantage then. That way our risk will be way lower than our reward. And that's what this whole game is about. It's about calculating your risk, man, so that you have a greater reward in the end. It's your boy Ron Legacy for Bad Trades to Cash Days. I'll get at y'all in a minute. BitLegacy.